Okay, we're back. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to finish this review. It's very short. There's not much to do. All right, and then what we're going to do is I'm going to print that quiz out again for you. I'm going to let you take that quiz. If you have any questions or you're not clear about something, please ask me first, okay? All right, so the first thing I want you to do is I'm going to put a number here, and oh my gosh, I want you to do the factor tree and write down its prime factors. Go ahead. Here's what you should have done. Now you could have used anything. I'm just going to use 6 and 6 just because I want to. Okay, and that's 2 and 3. And that's 2 and 3. Okay, so you don't leave it like that. When the instructions want you to get the factors from the factor tree, then you need to write them down in order. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. That's what you do. All right? Have you do one more, and then we'll do something else. Ready? I want you to do 72. Go ahead. Okay. What I've noticed on the bottom of your exercise 8 on this page that you did before you took your quiz is you used 1 and the number. You can't do that. You've got to use something else. Now, if the number happens to be prime, like say 11, well, then obviously that's going to be all you do. But you can't do that. If it's not a prime number, if it's a composite number, then you have to write something else. You can't just write that. All right, so I'm going to use 9 and 8. I think we did this yesterday. This is 3 and 3. This is 2 and 4. Then this breaks down into 2 and 2. Okay, just for the heck of it, I'm going to bring my numbers down to help me. Okay, and then I have to write them in order. Okay, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And that's what I would do. Now, here's what we're going to do. Almost done. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 6 fractions here. Okay? And I'm going to try to divide this up. Okay, so remember those 3 different ways we said that you can simplify fractions? You can use the GCF, you can factor and cancel, or you can do the prime numbers and cancel. Okay? Now these first 2, I want you to factor and cancel. Okay? One more example how to factor and cancel. I'll use 15/25 to factor and cancel. This is how you factor and cancel. Okay? You write down their factors. Mark out, cancel what's the same, what's left is your simplified fraction. That's how you factor and cancel. Okay? All right, so I'm going to give you 2 numbers. I think, let's do that. Yeah, I'm going to give you 2 numbers, and I want you to factor and cancel these. Okay? 2 fractions. Okay, so the first one is 50 over 375. You're going to have to do some figuring to figure out what these are, okay? Now the other one I want you to do to factor and cancel, in fact, on your piece of paper, I want you to put factor and cancel right above these numbers. Factor and cancel, okay? Now don't start yet, okay? Now, then I want you to skip a few. After you factor and cancel that, make sure you write factor and cancel up there so you'll remember that's what you got to do for these. All right, now I want you to write at the top of this, I want you to put GCF. Okay? And I want you to simplify these by finding their GCF and dividing them down. Remember, finding the GCF, you write out all the factors. and you look at all the factors that are the same, and the one that's the biggest is what you divide them both down. That's GCF, okay? All right, and the last one, don't do this yet. Now, the last, you might want to scoot down a little bit or go to the back page or get a different page. All right, now on the last one, I just want you to reduce these any way you want to. Reduce them down, okay? Any way you want to. At the top, you can put any way, you can put reduce, you can do whatever you want, okay? These are factor and cancel, these are GCF, and these are any way you want to, okay? I'm going to go ahead and end this, and I'm going to go ahead and print out that quiz again. When you're done with these, bring it to me and let me check it. And we'll take the quiz either today or tomorrow whenever you feel like you're ready.